Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Sagicor Group Jamaica has plans to roll out its digital wallet with capabilities to use Jamdex, Bank of Jamaica issued digital currency. The financial group had previously announced back in July 2023 that it was partnering with the University of Technology Jamaica in creating and testing its mobile wallet SwiftPay. A representative from Sagicor stated, "We are also progressing well in the development of our own digital wallet, which we hope to make available by the fourth quarter of this year." Sagicor is working closely with the Bank of Jamaica to ensure it is ready for deployment. Domestic petroleum subsidiary of West Indies Petroleum, WIP Energy Limited, is gearing up to seek US $80 million or Jamaican $12.8 billion by way of an initial public offering or an IPO. The stock is expected to be issued at a price of US 1 cent or $1.60 Jamaican per share. Of the US $80 million to be raised, US $11.5 million will be allocated to provide working capital for WIP Energy and to pay expenses related to the offer. Selling shareholders will get the remaining US $68.5 million. JMB and Barita Investments have been retained as co-brokers and co-arrangers of WIP Energy's fundraise. With the funds raised, WIP Energy will own the Thrifty gas station and plans to add new locations as part of its future growth. The company sold more than US $300 million worth of fuel in 2023 and net over US $10 million in profit. WIP Energy supplies about 30% of the retail petroleum sold in Jamaica, with Fesco, Unipet, and Superior Gas Company being its biggest customers, accounting just over a third of its sales, according to market sources. For the trading period ending January 10, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider WIP Energy Limited, with 2,012,020 units traded, representing 14.56% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited, with 1,441,664 units traded, accounting for 10.43% of the market sales volume. Hotel, food and beverage distributor Everything Fresh Limited, with 1,105,000 units traded, making up to 7.99% of market sales volume. Shifting focus to the Forex market. On January 10, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $51.41 million purchased and US $60.23 million sold by Forex traders. Traders earned $1.40 per dollar, selling the US at $157.22 and buying it at $155.82. The Canadian dollar netted $2.22 per transaction, selling at $110 and buying at $107.78. The British pound yielded $8.37 in profits, selling at $195.07 and buying at $186.70. For the credit report tip of the day, let's face it, rebuilding your credit score when your salary feels stuck and expenses are growing isn't easy, but it's doable. Here are a few tips. Dispute errors. Challenge any inaccuracies dragging down your credit score. Also, pay on time. Late payments hurt. Automate bills or set reminders to stay consistent. And third, tackle collections accounts. Negotiate with collection agencies to settle for less or pay in full to remove these items off of your credit score. Now, in the space of recovery and resilience. Feeling overwhelmed by financial challenges can take a toll on your emotions and confidence, especially as a professional woman over the age of 45, balancing career, family, and personal aspirations. But recovery and resilience are possible. Here's a roadmap. First, assess your starting point. Face the numbers. Review your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Awareness is the first step to transformation. Second, set clear financial goals. Focus on achievable milestones like paying off one credit card, building a 3-month emergency fund, or increasing your retirement contribution. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step forward to your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.